Graham and Tracy, window cleaners true. Their business, Windows Need Cleaning, shines through. With a pure water pole system, they work in style. No ladders are used, for safety all the while. The windows they clean, sparkle and gleam. Their technique, so precise, it's like a dream. No streaks or smears, just crystal clear views. Their customers, always left with nothing to choose. With the power of water, they reach new heights. Cleaning windows, without any fights. The pole system, a revolutionary tool. Makes their job easier, and makes them look cool. Tracy handles the calls, and schedules the jobs. While Graham does the cleaning, with his pure water mobs. Together they make a great team. Windows Need Cleaning is the name that gleams. So if you need your windows cleaned, no need to stress. Just call Graham and Tracy, they will do the rest. Windows Need Cleaning, the best in the land. Their pure water pole system, so easy and grand.